Why are jury deliberations the most anxiety-provoking time for a trial attorney? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information that will be eye-opening. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, when the case gets to trial, and now we've gone through the entire trial, we've now reached jury deliberations. The judge has told the jury to start deliberating and only come out when you have a verdict, when you have a decision. And now begins the clock. Now the clock starts ticking. There's no time limit for the jury to come back with a decision. But what do the attorneys do? What do the litigants do during this time period? The answer is absolutely nothing. It is the most anxiety-provoking time for a trial attorney. We don't know what they're thinking. We don't know what they're discussing. We don't know what the issues are. We don't know what questions they have. And because of all of these unknowns, it becomes very anxiety-provoking. By the way, not just for a plaintiff's attorney, but also for the defense. We don't know what conclusion they're going to reach. We don't know what verdict they're going to reach. We're not privy to any of the conversations that go on during the course of jury deliberations. So nobody knows the answer. We can't leave and come back 4 hours later. We can't leave the courthouse. We have to stick around. We have to pace. We have to read. We have to try and do some work. We have to answer our emails. During that period of time, there's very little that's actually going to get done. We try and do busy work, but the problem is we're constantly thinking about what's going on with the jury deliberations. There may be an instance where the jury has a question. Maybe the jury wants testimony read back. And now we have to all come back in, listen to the testimony. Now the jury goes back out to continue their deliberations. So during this process, there are so many unknowns that occur that it's very, very difficult to actually get real work done. On the other hand, the judge goes ahead and goes about his own business. He can handle other matters as well. And while we can be on the phone and talk to our client and try and do some reading, the reality is our minds are always thinking about what's going to happen with the jury verdict. And now, when the jury is brought back in, when they've reached a decision, the most anxiety-provoking time is when the judge tells the foreman of the jury, or foreperson, Mr. Jones, Mrs. Jones, what is your verdict? And now, question by question, that person is going to be reading the verdict. That is anxiety-provoking. So why do I share this insight with you? I share it with you just to give you a different perspective of what actually goes on. During the course of a trial, now we reach the point where the jury is actually deliberating, and now we're waiting for a verdict. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York, and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.